Are you tired of dealing with gut issues and worried about the risk of fake or chemical-laden supplements? Today we're diving into the top 5 natural supplements for healing the gut. We'll be drawing from the invaluable insights found in the Holistic Guide to Gut Health by Dr. Mark Stengler. So, without any further ado, let's restore your gut health. Supplement number 1, Aloe Vera. Aloe vera, often praised for its soothing effects, is a powerhouse for gut health. It reduces inflammation and promotes healing of the intestinal lining. Packed with vitamins A, C, E, and B12, as well as minerals like zinc and selenium, aloe vera also contains polysaccharides that inhibit ulcer formation and protect against colitis. Moreover, it helps reduce GERD symptoms and improves overall gut health. Supplement number 2, Licorice Root. Licorice Root has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. The deglycerinized form, DGL, stimulates mucin secretion, shielding the stomach lining and aiding healing. DGL boosts blood flow to the gut mucosa, effectively treating ulcers and supporting gut barrier integrity. Supplement number 3, Glutamine. Glutamine, a crucial amino acid, is essential for gut health. It serves as the primary fuel for intestinal cells, aiding in repair and regeneration. It prevents premature cell death, reduces inflammation, and strengthens tight junction proteins. This makes it particularly beneficial for IBS and other gut issues, enhancing overall gut function. Supplement number 4, Quercetin. Quercetin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, stabilizes mast cells and curbs histamine release, protecting the gut lining. It enhances intestinal barrier function and balances microbiota composition, reducing chronic inflammation and promoting gut health. Quercetin is also found in many common foods like onions, apples, and berries, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. Supplement number 5, Slippery Elm. Slippery elm is renowned for its mucilage content, which coats and soothes the digestive tract. It forms a protective layer over the gut lining, reducing inflammation and aiding healing. With its antioxidant properties, it benefits inflammatory bowel conditions and guards against ulcers. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Here's a bonus supplement for you, Marshmallow Root. While focusing on the main 5, Marshmallow Root deserves mention. Similar to Slippery Elm, it produces mucilage that soothes and protects the gut lining, reducing irritation and inflammation for a gentle healing approach. That's a wrap. If you're interested in learning more, you can purchase the book from Amazon. The link's in the description below. Check it out. Stay tuned for more insights, and until next time, take care of your gut. It's the foundation of your overall health.